Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Flow login problem. First, check your internet connection. Turn it off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on to refresh the network. Now make sure you are connected to a strong and stable internet connection because weak internet can cause login issues. Next, open the Run dialog on your computer and type %temp% and press enter. Now select all files in that folder and delete them to clear temporary system data. Then go back and open Run again, type temp, and press enter. Again, delete all the files inside this folder to remove cache system files. Now go back to your desktop and open the recycle bin. Delete all files there as well to fully clear junk files. Next, open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots from the top right corner. Then click on Settings. Now go to Privacy and Security from the left side menu. Click on Delete Browsing Data. Select the time range, then check the boxes for browsing history, cookies, and other site data, and click Delete Data. Once everything is cleared, restart your computer. After restarting, try logging into Google Flow again. In many cases, clearing cache and refreshing the network settings resolves login problems. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.